Guru Nanak Institute of Technology has received an overall rating of 4 out of 5 from students on Shiksha.com. Let's dive into a detailed review of the BTech program offered here, starting with its placements rated 3.8 stars. According to NIRF 2025, 677 students graduated from the UG 4-year program in 2023 and 24. Of these, 510 secured jobs, while 76 pursued higher studies. The placement rate in 2024 stood at 75%, showing a decrease over the past 3 years. The NIT's 2024 placement saw participation from recruiters such as TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, and Qualcomm, offering roles such as SDE, Web Developer, UI UX Developer, Software Engineer, and Data Analyst. The highest package for 2025 was 30 LPA, with a median of 5 LPA, marking an increase of 6% over the years. When compared to TKR College of Engineering and Technology, GNIT surpasses regarding median salary. Students report that around 70 to 80% of them secured internships, with many receiving certificates and some opportunities leading to full-time positions. Now about the BTech program, which holds a rating of 4 stars and offers 9 BTech specializations, including CSE, Civil, Mechanical, Electronics and Communication, and Electrical and Electronics. Admission requires 45% in class 12th and mandates appearing for the state exam TS-MCET. The program fees for 4 years is 4.8 lakhs. Scholarships are available on the basis of merit and socio-economic criteria, providing eligible students with financial assistance. Now about the 4.3-star rated infrastructure. The campus features well-furnished classrooms, seminar halls, drawing halls, a central library with modern amenities, and indoor and mini auditoriums. Hostels are provided separately for boys and girls, equipped with sports facilities, a gym, entertainment rooms, and security. Multiple cafeterias and food courts offer quality meals, including one with a special menu for international students. Sports facilities include cricket, volleyball, basketball, football, throwball, shuttle courts, and indoor games like table tennis, snooker, and chess, along with a gymnasium. Transport includes over 50 buses providing safe and cost-effective commute. Turning to faculty and course with a 3.9-star rating. Students say PhD qualified teachers are helpful and approachable, and learning is through research, technology, and industry ties. The course curriculum is relevant and industry-focused, effectively preparing students for placements. With a 4.2-star rating for campus life, let's delve deeper. The institution hosts events like Winterfest, Brahmas Fiesta, Annual Day, and Engineers Day, featuring cultural, technical, and recreational activities. These events encourage student engagement, creativity, and skill development, fostering an inclusive campus environment. GNIT is not ranked on NIRF as of 2024. For more details on Guru Nanak Institute of Technology and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now.